Hello, Mike with Carmichael Cleaning here. We're in Guelph today doing some tile and grout restoration. This client found us on Facebook and she was really worried that she was going to have to replace her floor and spend thousands of dollars. So we came in to restore her floor and put a smile on her tile. So I'll take you in and have a look at what we're doing. So it is a full 10-step process. And that's what it looks like when it's complete. So if you're looking for some tile and grout restoration, give us a call at Carmichael Cleaning and even like us on Facebook. Thank you.